Alright, so what we got here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the battery charger that we've got for the Model A, which is a 6 volt or 12 volt. We're of course using 6 volts. Came with this charger pigtail, and what this is basically is just 2 wires, goes in to a terminal and matches up with the terminal, comes off of the charger. So we can actually permanently install this into the batteries. And so what we did is we took and we've taken the little terminals that were on it, a little too small for the battery cable, and we put on some larger terminals, larger diameter, so that they'll go through the bolts of the battery cables. And we've got we've taken a little piece of plastic that will come in, and we can clip it into that piece of plastic. It's a little tube of plastic, electrical taped to the positive ground. The Model A is a positive ground, and so if this was left exposed and touched the metal anywhere on the body, then it would short out. So we cover that, and because this is attached to the negative, so that way we avoid shorts from this charger pigtail. Alright, so what we're doing is we're going to put the pigtail terminal onto the side of the battery terminal. Go ahead and put it on. We're going to loosely put the bolt on just to hold it in place. This is the negative. It's going to go straight to the starter on the positive ground Model A. I'm just going to get a finger tight on that, and we're going to slide it onto the terminal in a second. Alright, so we've had to lift the floorboard up to get to the positive terminal, which is the ground on the Model A. And so we're putting the positive terminal on. We're going to finger tighten the the nut onto the bolt of the battery terminal. So now we've got the 2 terminals of the battery charger pigtail attached to the battery terminal. And now we'll be able to pull that through in a minute. Alright, go. So now we've got the terminal attached. We're going to put the battery terminal onto its mounting. Get that down a little bit there. Let's pound that in a little bit more. Now where it's going to flush. Bend that terminal up out of the way, sorry. So it's coming out that side. And start tightening it. Alright, so putting the final touches on the tightening of the negative terminal, and that's good and tight. And so now we're ready. The pigtail is there, it's ready, it's got the safety on it. We'll pull that off, and we attach it to the battery charger, ready to charge it up. Now we can safely leave that in there and go ahead and disconnect it and demonstrate how it tucks in there. Go ahead and pull it apart and put it back into its safety. Put into the safety realm there. Take this out of the way, and that can just fall down in there. And we take the plate, and because it's all safed off, that can tuck into there. The plate goes back on, and we're ready to go.